In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis in Slack messages. Using emojis in Slack is a simple way to make communication faster, clearer, and more expressive. Whether you want to react to a teammate's update, add visual context to a message, or quickly signal approval with something like a checkmark or thumbs up, Slack gives you a few easy ways to do it. To get started, open Slack on your desktop app or in your web browser, then go into any conversation where you want to use an emoji. This can be a public channel, a private channel, or a direct message. Once you're there, click inside the message box so your cursor is active and ready to type. One of the easiest methods is using Slack's built-in emoji drawer. At the bottom right of the message composer, click the smiley face icon. This opens the emoji library where you can browse through different categories like smileys, people, nature, and activities. If you already know what kind of emoji you want, you can use the search bar at the top of that panel and type a keyword such as fire, calendar, or check. Then just click the emoji you want and Slack will insert it directly into your message. If you prefer to keep your hands on the keyboard and type quickly, Slack also supports colon shortcuts. Inside the message field, type a colon followed immediately by a descriptive word like colon rocket. As you type, Slack will show an auto-complete menu above the message bar. Use the arrow keys to highlight the emoji you want, then press the spacebar or enter to convert that shortcut into the emoji automatically. This is especially useful when you already know the name of the emoji and want to move faster. You can also add emojis as reactions to messages that have already been posted. To do that, hover your mouse over the message you want to respond to. A small toolbar will appear near the top right of that message. Click the add reaction icon, which looks like a smiley face with a plus sign. From there, you can choose one of the suggested emojis, like a thumbs up or check mark, or open the full emoji grid to find another option. Once selected, the reaction appears right below the message. If someone has already added the exact reaction you want to use, there's an even quicker option. Just click directly on that existing emoji reaction below the message, and Slack will increase the reaction count by 1. When your message looks the way you want, press enter to send it. That is all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.